OpenAI just made a strategic move that shocked the entire tech industry, but then did a complete 180 that sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley. For the first time in a meaningful way, they tested non-NVIDIA chips to power ChatGPT. But what happened next will blow your mind. This all went down in the past week, and it's about to reshape the entire AI infrastructure game. Here's the real story nobody's talking about. According to Reuters and The Information, two of the most credible tech sources, OpenAI quietly began testing Google's TPU chips to power ChatGPT and other critical products. This marked the first time OpenAI had experimented with non-NVIDIA chips in any meaningful way since the company launched. But here's where it gets crazy. Just 72 hours later, OpenAI dropped a bombshell announcement that changed everything. On June 30th, OpenAI officially stated they have no plans to deploy Google TPUs at scale. Translation: thanks Google, but we're sticking with NVIDIA. This isn't about betrayal, it's about negotiation warfare at the highest level. OpenAI's revenue run rate hit $10 billion in 2025, making strategic partnerships critical. By testing Google's chips, they just told NVIDIA, we have options, the most powerful bargaining position in tech. What's even more interesting is that this move represents OpenAI's strategy to maintain independence while keeping all their options open. They tested the waters with Google while keeping their NVIDIA fortress intact. But here's the shocking part. You might think this uncertainty would crash NVIDIA's stock. Instead, when OpenAI confirmed they're sticking with NVIDIA, the stock soared to a record high of $154.31, making them worth an astounding $3.85 trillion. The market saw this as the ultimate validation. Even when OpenAI had cheaper alternatives, they chose NVIDIA's superior performance. But hold on to your hats, because while OpenAI was playing 4D chess with chip suppliers, something else explosive was happening. Meta, under the personal leadership of Mark Zuckerberg, just announced the most aggressive AI talent grab in history. Meta just officially launched their Superintelligence labs, and they're not messing around. According to multiple reports, they've assembled an all-star roster of researchers poached directly from OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and other top AI labs. Here's the part that will blow your mind. According to the Wall Street Journal, Mark Zuckerberg is personally recruiting these researchers to his private homes in Lake Tahoe and Palo Alto. He's not just building another AI team, he's assembling what he calls a superintelligence dream team with compensation packages exceeding $100 million per researcher. The competitive stakes are incredibly high, and this isn't just hiring, this is warfare. Meta is betting everything on building AGI before their competitors, and they're paying unprecedented amounts to make it happen. These new Meta recruits include foundational contributors to OpenAI's reasoning models and breakthrough research. This isn't mere talent acquisition, it's a strategic move to gain the exact expertise needed to build superintelligence. And while everyone was focused on the OpenAI, Meta chip, and talent battles, Google, true to form, made a quiet yet incredibly impactful move that changes the game for everyone. They just released their secret weapon, Gemini CLI, a powerful new AI-powered assistant right in your terminal. Launched on June 25th, 2025, and completely open source, the Gemini CLI is designed to supercharge developers. You can literally use natural language prompts in your command line. Generate a Python script for data processing. Help me debug this JavaScript error, or create the basic project structure for a React app. And get this, it's 100% free and open source, boasts 1 million token context window, meaning it can understand and work with huge chunks of code, offers 60 requests per minute on the free tier, which is massive. It's powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's most advanced model. It's terminal native, working directly where developers spend their time, and it's available on GitHub right now. But the democratization of AI doesn't stop there. Anthropic, another major AI player, just fired back with upgraded Claude artifacts that turns anyone into an app developer. We're talking about over 500 million artifacts created since launch. People with zero coding experience are building customer service bots, data dashboards, and interactive games. These aren't all complex commercial applications, but they represent an explosion of interactive AI-powered creations. So what does all this mean? This isn't just about new AI models, it's about a fundamental shift in who controls the future of human-computer interaction. OpenAI just proved they're playing chess while everyone else plays checkers. testing alternatives to strengthen their NVIDIA partnership while maintaining total strategic independence. Meta is literally buying their way to superintelligence with the most expensive talent acquisition in tech history. Google is democratizing AI development, making advanced coding assistants accessible to millions, empowering more people to create. Traditional software development isn't becoming worthless. It's evolving, focusing on higher-level problem-solving, creativity, and the oversight of increasingly capable AI tools. The AI landscape is transforming at warp speed. What do you think will be the next bombshell? Will OpenAI announce their own chip designs? Will Meta's $100 million researchers actually deliver superintelligence? Or will Google's CLI spark a revolution in everyday coding? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you connect the dots, smash that like button because YouTube needs to show this to more people. The mainstream media isn't always showing you this granular level of change, but we are. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve. And in the comments below, tell me which company do you think is making the most impactful move in this accelerating AI race? Team OpenAI, Team Meta, or Team Google? I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into another groundbreaking AI development you won't want to miss.